We're back and we are
Unboxalot.
Unboxalot. And what have we got today?
A Barbie,
My Fab 3-in-1 kit with 35mm camera, binoculars, and flashlight. And that's what it looks like. Not a lot of surprise here, right? You can kind of see what we've got. Now let's see what the box says. Focus free, uses any 35mm film, great for capturing observation, no batteries required. 4x28 binoculars, compact size, great for bird watching, camping, and sightseeing, and a flashlight. Illuminates up to 10 feet, great for night excursion, requires 2 AA batteries, not included. But what do we have?
we have a My Fab in one kit,
3-in-1 kit. But what else do we have?
2 AA batteries.
All right. Well, in that case, let's go ahead and open it up.
It actually says telescope. I think that was by mistake.
Oh, it does say binoculars and telescope on the side, doesn't it? Good spot. I think they mean binoculars and flashlight, even though it says binoculars and telescope. Well, let's open it up and see what we got. Okay? Go ahead. All right. And the pieces came out pretty easily. Here's the camera.
And it is just a toy camera, but these binoculars, I bet actually work.
Okay, this camera would take 35mm film if you want to try to take some pictures with that. And here's the winder, you can see. And so it would take that if you wanted to do that. It's got a viewfinder. And it's got Barbie logos and a little Barbie silhouette on the side. Now let's see this. What's this?
Binoculars.
All right.
So they actually work. I have actually tried them, and these came to me as a birthday present.
Nice. Let's see. Can you see through the binoculars? Does it make things bigger? I don't know. And what do we have here? Let's put in the batteries. All right, let's not drop the batteries and roll them all over the place.
Which was really funny, but now it's time to try this.
Okay, and there it is. It's lit up. Shine it on the table. Shine it on the camera, and you can see it lights up. So, what did you think of the Barbie 3-in-1 Fab My Fab 3-in-1 kit?
Good.
Did we give it the thumbs up?
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's load up that camera and go take some pictures.